Hey, we're going to simplify an imaginary number here. So what we have is we have 4 times I to the 31st. So remember that we can simplify any power of I down to a power of 1 or less. So let's see here. We have I to the 31st. So we remember that I powers, their values start repeating every 4 increments. So we're going to take the 31 and divide it by 4. So 4 and the 31 goes 7 times, I believe, with a remainder of 3. And what's important is the remainder. So this is the power we're going to look at. So I to the 31st is basically the same thing as I to the 3rd. But also, I to the 3rd from a definition that we did was negative I. Okay, so go back and review those definitions and rules if you need. So 4I to the 31st will be 4 times I to the, 4I to the 31st would be 4 times negative I, which we can rewrite as negative 4I. All right, thank you.